Taxonomic units of classification. Taxonomic units are the groups, known as taxa, into which organisms are placed as a matter of convenience. The grouping is based on easily observable characteristics that are common in the group. Each taxonomic unit reflects the position of an organism in relation to the others in the classification scheme. In classification scheme, a hierarchy of groups is recognized. Moving down the hierarchy, the number of organisms in each group decreases, but the similarities between them increases. There are 7 major taxonomic units, namely: Kingdom, Phylum or division, Class, Order, Family, Genus, Species. Kingdom is the largest and the highest group. A kingdom is divided to several phyla. Phyla are called division in plants. The phylum, plural phyla, is the second grouping. It sorts out organisms based on body plan and form. Within a phylum, members are further divided into groups called classes. The basis of a significant variation in the fundamental plan is usually in adaptation to a special way of life. Each class is further divided into small groups called orders using some structural features. Orders are further divided into families using some structural features. Families are divided into genera, singular genus. In a genus, structural features are not easily noticed by most people since the grouping is based on fairly recent common ancestral features that are less adaptive. Genus is divided into smaller units called species. A species is the smallest unit of classification. It has hereditary distinction from that of any group. Members naturally interbreed to produce fertile offspring. Within the members of a species, minor differences are still exhibited, such as skin color in human beings and variety in plants. The groups obtained on the basis of subdivision of species are termed as varieties, races, or strains. The differences are usually superficial, unlike those which distinguish a species from another. These subspecies form additional ranks which may be added to the hierarchy of classification. Classification of some selected organisms. A lion. Kingdom. Animalia. Phylum. Chordata. Class. Mammalia. Order. Carnivora. Family. Felidae. Genus. Panthera. Species. Panthera leo. Classification of a human being. Kingdom. Animalia. Phylum. Chordata. Class. Mammalia. Order. Primate. Family. Hominidae. Genus. Homo. Species. Homo sapiens. Classification of maize. Kingdom. Plantae. Division. Spermatophyta. Class. Monocotyledone. Order. Gramenales. Family. Gramineae. Genus. Z. Species. Z. maize. Classification of beans. Kingdom. Plantae. Division. Spermatophyta. Class. Dicotyledone. Order. Rosales. Family. Leguminosae. Genus. Phaseolus. Species. Phaseolus vulgaris. In this study, classification is based on the five-kingdom system. The five kingdoms are: Kingdom Animalia. Members include human beings, animals like elephants, buffaloes, lions, leopards, goats, sheep and many others. Insects like bees and butterflies. Kingdom Plantae. Members comprise maize plants, moss plants, ferns, tea plants, coffee plants, banana plants, wheat plants, garden pea, pine, meru oak and many others. Kingdom Fungi, which comprise molds, yeasts and mushrooms. Kingdom Protoctista, whose members include algae and protozoa. Kingdom Monera, whose members are bacteria. Viruses. They are on the boundary between what we regard as living and non-living. Each type of virus will infect only certain types of cells. They are highly specific to their hosts. They are the smallest living organisms and do not have a cellular structure. They can only produce by invading living cells. They have a simple structure, consisting of a small piece of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein or lipoprotein coat. Thank you for watching this biology lesson. Please subscribe to this channel and other Genius channels relevant to your level of study.